What is up, nation? It is Friday. Today we have a bit of a strength and a Metcon. So for that strength, it's going to be 3 rounds. You're going to have 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds rest. Right. So within that, you'll go 45 seconds of work on a PVC sit-up. So the way that PVC would look, or that PVC sit-up would look, you have it on, place it behind your back. From there, have an ab mat or something that can just support that lower back. Go on down and then sit up. Right. Legs can be slightly bent, and then just coming down, up, and then from there you go into your bicep curl. So after that 15 seconds rest, you'll go 45 seconds of bicep curls. Oh yeah, just let those suckers grow. There you go. And then after that, 3 rounds of that, so that will consist of 1 round. Go into that again 2 more times. But from there, our Metcon today is going to be a 20-minute emom. On minute 1, you're going to have 12 to 16 burpees. Choose between that rep scheme. And then on minute 2 is all going to depend on what you guys have. So if you have 2 dumbbells, right, the snatches, the way those hang snatches will look is, right, dumbbells placed in the middle of our feet, deadlift up, bring it to the knees, hip hinge, and then straight up, right? Keeping those dumbbells nice and close. If you don't, right, so from there, if you have the 2, we'll keep it either like the 12 or the 16, probably going down more towards like that 12 range. But if we only have 1, right, kind of how we normally do, right, same from here. And then with that, you pick rep scheme. So you'll go 8 on one side, 8 on the other. If you're picking that 16, if you're picking 12, it'll be 6, 6. And then minute 3 is just 12 to 16 reps of overhead squats, just total. So I would say split that up how you want to as that. And then minute 4, I'm sorry, not overhead squats, overhead lunges, my bad. And then minute 4 is rest. From there, general warm-up, you're gonna have 2 rounds, 30 seconds each movement. It's gonna be PVC pass-throughs, some around the world, and then that PVC split leg good morning. Right, PVC is just behind our back, hip hinge, back nice and straight. Try not to bend your legs as you go down. Keep them nice and straight. And then from there, that PVC Superman hold, just be onto the ground. Squeezing nice and tight. Oh yeah. From there, you're going to this nice little dynamic warm up. It's going to be 2 rounds. You're going to have 10 overhead PVC lunges. So the PVC is just going to be overhead. I'll lunge. Oh yeah. 10 total, and then from there, without the PVC, just a 20-second hollow rock. And then from there, you're going to go 10 high pulls from the floor. So it'll be 5 each arm. Dumbbell will be in the middle. Come all the way, fully pull. Just open up that body fully for our snatches. And then from there, you'll have a 20-second PVC hollow hold. Right, so staying nice and tight. PVC is behind us. Oh yeah, staying nice and tension. Shoulder blades are up. And then from there, you're just going to go 10 PVC lunge with a twist. Take this one really nice and slow. Just trying to get into that rotation. Down, twist. That would be 1. Go 2. Yep, 2 rounds of that, and that is pretty much it.